How to make your mic sound bad on mobile. First, head over to the App Store and type in Voice Changer. And then find the one that says Voice Changer Audio Effects. Now, this same process is the same on Android and iPhone. And here are some of the apps that you can see clearly work. So what you need to do is open the app and then simply talk into it, record yourself talking, and then close out of this ad. And here you have an array of effects that you can put on the recording that you just made. The one that's actually good is the megaphone.
I'm talking right now.
It makes your microphone sound horrible. However, you have some other bad effects as well, like underwater or robot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.